Here on Real Quick Review, we have the Fenix E35 V3 Everyday Carry Torch. Hey people, Philip Blank here, and we are looking at this mini flashlight from Fenix, the E35. And the MSRP on this light is 75 bucks. I picked it up on sale for a bit less than that. This little light boasts a high output of power for the size, and it offers a nice lithium rechargeable battery. Now, I've been looking for a flashlight with a high capacity battery, and this fit the bill pretty perfectly. The E35 V3 is 118 millimeters long, weighs just 67 grams. It's made out of an anodized aluminum shell, and is shock rated for drops up to 1.5 meters. Now the light does feel super dense and solid in your hand. It opens up nicely with this screw method. The rechargeable battery was the major draw for me, and the USB-C port is perfect. The battery has 5,000 milliamp hours of capacity and is rated for normal behavior between -31 and 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Now a major con is you cannot charge the battery without pulling it out of the light itself, but the light is IP68 rated, so it can withstand water pressure at 2 meters for 30 minutes. Now operation of the light is not just clicking it on and off. You have to hold it for 2 seconds and then it'll click it on and resume to whatever mode you were last on. And once the light is on, you click the button once to cycle through each of the modes, and there are 5 modes. So you have a high, a medium, a low, an eco, and then when you do a hold, it goes into a strobe mode. And taking this light outdoors, I was super impressed with the output of this thing. And the eco and low mode really are sufficient for most everything you'll need, but when you switch it on to the turbo mode, it just lights everything up. Now obviously when it's putting this much output out, the battery life is drastically shortened, as you can see from this graph. So the peak is 3000 lumens and the low is down to 50 lumens, but that 50 lumen can give you up to a 50-hour runtime. And with the button being on the side, they do offer a lockout feature. And what you do is double tap the on switch within half a second. It'll give you 2 blinks indicating it's in lock mode. To shut the lock off, you double tap again and then resume normal operation. And the strobe mode only works at the 3000 lumen output, and it alternates between a fast and a slow flashing pattern. At this top output, the E35 has a 240 meter throw for the beam and an angle of 98 degrees. Another excellent feature of this light, on the on button there is an LED indicator telling you how much charge is in your light. If the light glows green, you have 100 to 85% charge. Green flash means 85 to 50%. A red solid light means 50 to 25%, and a red flash means 25 to 1%. Now I've been using this light a couple months now, and I don't have any cons with it. If you use the light on the high output, it does get hot on the tip, but I really rarely find myself even going into the turbo mode. The Fenix also includes 2 extra O-rings in case you tear your first, and a little lanyard, but I'll never use this. Now I do wish that Fenix used USB-C to USB-C, since I've switched pretty much everything over to this. So there you have it, the Fenix E35 V3, a solid, waterproof, and drop-resistant everyday carry flashlight with a very nice rechargeable battery. It stinks that you have to open it up to charge it, but it's a well-made, reliable light, and I am very satisfied.